Hey guys, Carl here from KJD Photography. We had a package this morning from Godox VS. We're going to be trying out the VS mic. It's like a shotgun mic, portable one. Sits on top of your camera, or even on the Godox cell phone bracket. You can slot it on there and do quick shoot and run videos, great for content creators. So I'm going to have a look what's inside. Let's have a look. So it's quite well packaged, as you can see. Put that down there. But as you can see, it's quite compact. They've got some awesome audio stuff on the market, and this is just one of those little items that we'll be using in studio. Okay, so as you can see, that's the size of it. And then packed in nicely on the top there, securely. Another little box inside. So there's the microphone, and then you've got a little, it's like a UK soldier hat, nice little fluffy. You can put it on the top. And then you have also a foam one you can just put on. Obviously this is going to protect you against the wind and noises and stuff. This I'll probably use more in studio. Foam one. And then this is a little bracket that actually goes on, just slides on top of your hot shoe. So even if you've got one of the Godox cell phone brackets, which you can also get online, just slide it on the top there, clip your microphone in, run and shoot it. So you've got that. You've got a nice little packet for everything there, Godox later on. You have your two audio cables. Obviously this will actually slip in here, and it's going to be probably quite a tight pushing. There you go, it's in. Okay. So literally this will actually sit on top of your camera. Just have a look. Let's just get a camera on here. So literally here's your mic on top, and then just see the cable out, plug into the back, and plug into your audio on your SLR, digital SLR. Okay. So you can have your big wheelie on there, and literally that's how it is. So quite an easy setup, and I don't know hiding camera, but that's fine. But literally, as I said, on top of your camera, you can go around running and shooting, doing audios at events. And probably also great for vlogging as well when you're actually going to start using a studio just to see what it's like. And yeah, so you can get your smartphone bracket from Godox, which literally you can put your smartphone in and have a hot shoe slide in on the top, which you can then just mount this on the top and then use it for your film. So there's your little foam one, and literally it's quite secure on there. And as I said, you have two audio cables, one for the smartphone, one for your SLR, and quite a nifty little mic. And then we'll test the quality and stuff of the audio later, and we will let you know. Thanks guys, cheers. Okay, so what we've done is we've actually set up the microphone on top of the camera we're recording on. Keep an eye out on our channel. I'll put the links below where to get all the Godox goodies from and let you know. Thanks guys.